So this is what I got for $4. The power bank and the selfie stick that I talked about in a recent video when I did an unboxing. But since then I had a chance to take them apart and see what's inside. The selfie stick is absolutely awesome. For that price, $2, you can set almost 360-degree movement here and also here. You can spin it. There's a rubber between, so when you tighten it down, it doesn't move. And it supports kind of large phones. The only problem is that with large phones it bends a little. So this may break and I'll have to fix it with some metal part or something. But yeah, this is a $2 selfie stick that also had a Bluetooth thing, but of course the battery is dead and I don't want to use it anyway. So I just took it down. The button was here somewhere and the electronics here and the micro USB port in the bottom. So yeah, this is a win for $2. It's very good for filming, mounting on a tripod or something. This will be awesome. And this, kind of surprising, it has two of these long and flat cells. So I don't know where this came from. Maybe some tablet or smartphone. I don't know. Maybe they are new. Who knows? But I had the chance to try it out, and so you can see here. I thought the micro SD card slot was for the phone, but it's not really. You can't read it by connecting this USB plug because that only has two wires. So if you want to use this with a phone, you have to go through the other port. This one, the micro USB, yeah, and you have to use OTG adapter or whatever. It's just a wire cable. You have to use that. So it's kind of inconvenient. It would have been better if it connected directly to here. But what you gonna do? I just tried it on the computer and it works. So yeah, 1 amp in, 1 amp out, two outputs with this and that, and kind of nice electronics. Let me just show you. It's not something duct taped together. It has even the charge indicators are here, well spaced on the PCB, and more components on the other side. This I assume is the card reader, this chip, and the quartz. You don't need the quartz for anything else. And the coil is also nice for charging and converting up to 5 volts. I assume it uses for both. And yeah, the only complaint about this is that it doesn't stay on. This power bank is one of those power banks that you have to press the button to enable it. And if the load gets a little low, then it switches off. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. That's why I love more simple power banks better with always on uh, electronics. This one, this is only 1 amp in, 1 amp out to 3 ports. This also uses a button. And where did I put my other one? I have another one that's 2 amp in, 2 amp out, and that's always on. Also, where's my other power bank? Oh boy. Oh, here it is. This one, these usually are always on, that have just one in port, one out, 1 amp in, 1 amp out, whatever, one cell inside. This is always on until until it uses up all the energy and shuts off eventually. So yeah, that's all the pros and cons of this little thing. I'll put it back together and use it. because it can charge a phone for like 50%. It has around 4000 milliamp hours, not exactly 4500 like they said, but very close. So yeah, $2 for this, $2 for the selfie stick. Kind of awesome. Yeah, I leave some links in the description, and you can probably find it worldwide, because what brand is it? Kitvision Bluetooth selfie stick. Yeah, and power bank, that's also kit with 2 dots. Yeah, so Kitvision probably. Does it say on the back? Doesn't even focus. Universal power bank. Nope. Okay, so it's kit something. I'll leave the links in the description, and see you in the next video.